Ooh, it's dark out, Lily. All right, cruise morning, here we come. Ooh, let there be light. Okay. Time to get ready for the cruise. Hello, Jake Garrison.
Hello.
Well, today is the annual Air Coolers Winter Cruise.
It is annual, and it is winter, and it is cruise. Can confirm.
So far, 2 Volkswagens.
That makes it official.
Is that a
officially
cruise?
A cruise? Oh!
Wait a minute.
That would be 3 Volkswagens. That would be a 3rd Volkswagen.
That means
I hope they turn in.
Yeah, they're just gonna keep driving. They're gonna look at this crew and keep going.
So
nice.
We're official.
So we are excited. Join us today as we do our winter cruise. We're going to head down through the hill country of Texas. We're going to have a good lunch, and then we're going to end up at the Commemorative Air Force Central Texas Wing over in San Marcos. Vintage German cars and vintage World War II airplanes. That should be a lot of fun. So join us today. It's going to be a great day for a winter cruise. Everybody stay warm, get you some coffee in there and everything like that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna gently try to get out of here as a group as best we can. And we'll go down 290, and at Henley is the only kind of sketchy because we gotta turn left on 290. So that's past Dripping Springs. We'll turn left on 165. And we'll just kind of mow. That's a nice little road. It kind of cuts through over to Blanco. And I'm trying to get through to the Blanco State Park because if you've been there before, they have like a low water crossing that goes across the river there. And if they had let us in just to take a photo op, it would be, like awesome because it looks like we're floating on water. So we'll try that and see how that goes. And then we'll spin out of there, we'll return on 165, and then we'll take 2325 all the way through Wimberley and down to 12 on the other side of Wimberley to San Marcos, and then we'll have lunch, and then we'll go see the vintage airplanes, which they're hopefully they're ready for us. I told them we're coming. So we don't know. I don't know what that's going to entail. You know, I don't think you're going to be able to fly any of them.
Darn.
We'll see. But just so glad you guys are here today. Thank y'all for joining us for our first event of the year. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's always good to see everybody and have everybody together and familiar faces and new faces. So thank y'all for being here. And has anybody got any questions or anything? Anything at all? All right. Well, just glad to see y'all. Thank y'all for being here and joining us today. So make sure you're filled up, and we'll mount up here in just a minute or two and get ready to go. Y'all ready? Woo! Ta-da! $20 per group. We're good.
Is this open just all the time for
Watch your step.
I could put a lot of Volkswagen.
Yeah, no kidding. Wow. This is awesome.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
I think that one's going under, getting some work on it.
Wow.
Air cooled.
Always wanted a sequence.
God, they got a Mitchell.
Wow. Wow.
They're all being worked on, dude.
Wow.
Oh, a flat fender wheelies. So 7 years ago, this is in a junkyard,
It was.
and today, here it is, and y'all fly it.
And we fly it all the time. Yeah,
That's
it's in high
amazing.
demand.
The
air
very
shows.
first plane, the lead,
801 C-47s on D-Day.
there were 801 of these flying
Yeah.
with paratroopers.
Yep. All of them were behind this one.
this was the lead plane.
This was the lead airplane.
That's amazing.
The plane.
That is,
As the plane.
This did not come from the factory.
See how your eyes just
I know.
wherever you go.
They
Wherever I
do
go.
follow me.
It's like the Mona Lisa.
It is like the Mona. It's just the Mona Lisa of
Her
airplanes.
eyes just follow you, man.
Yeah, much better looking one.
I just said
That's like real fighting tooth and nail.
Dude, this tour was $20 for the group. If you're out there and you're ever in San Marcos, this is worth it.
God, this is amazing. I mean,
It's great stuff.
Air Force Base. Had all the parts remaining. They kept one intact. So
a good cruise today, Alberto.
Good cruise.
Did you have fun?
Oh, much fun.
Me too. Went to the courthouse and got our pictures taken. Wait, let me rephrase that. That doesn't sound right.
Yeah.
We went to we took our pictures in front of the courthouse.
Yeah.
And then we ate good in San Marcos, and then we went to the Commemorative Air Force Museum in San Marcos and had a good time and saw some old airplanes. And now we're headed home. It's been a good day. Nice.
Oh, man.
There it is.
There's Jake.
There
I'm
it
in
is.
there.
Yeah. Yeah, you're in. Yeah, you're in it. Yeah, you're in it, Jake. Yeah. Jeez.
All right. Going on a cruise with your pals, it don't get much better than that.
No, I agree. It's been a good day of just what a fun day cruising around. We had a lot of Volkswagens. The weather turned beautiful, and the buses ran. Look, we had one Volkswagen failure. James just had a starter go out.
And James, you were talking mess, buddy.
Oh, that's right. That's karma there.
I told him, it's just a matter of time until I'm the one who breaks down.
yeah. Another coil, something like that.
But yeah, make sure y'all go out and drive your buses with your friends, drive your Volkswagens with your pals, and make new pals driving your Volkswagen.
Oh yeah, it's always nice.
Oh, tell your aunts and uncles.
There you go. You heard it. And don't forget, right there, All Metric Garage.
Or Al Martinez Body and Paint, no matter how you read it.
Later. Oh, y'all are sickos. All right, there's your content.